guys, my name is Summer and I'm a paid media specialist here at Bluleadz. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about quality score and how to improve upon it. So let's start with the definition. So Google defines quality score as an estimate of the quality of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. It's on a 1 to 10 scale. 10 is going to be the best you can do and 1 is the worst. And the reason that you want to optimize for quality score is because ultimately you're going to have lower prices and a better ad rank. So when looking at quality score, there are 3 components that go into it. It's going to be your ad relevance, your expected click-through rate, and your landing page experience. So when optimizing for ad relevance, you want to make sure that your ad text matches what your customers are actually searching for in their queries. For expected click-through rate, it's very similar to ad relevance where you want to make sure the queries are matching the ad text, but it also takes into account the history of your ads and your keywords. So making sure that kind of gives stuff a little bit of time to run, optimize what's performing well, and then decide on what you need to implement throughout your account. So for landing page experience, you want to match your search queries to what the customer is actually going to experience on your landing page. So making sure that they have a clear path throughout the journey on your website. So when optimizing for quality score, you want to make sure that you have keyword strength throughout. So what a customer types in their search query should be in the keyword, it should be present in the ad text, and then it should be talked about on your landing page. So let's take a look at a bad experience. So my search query, buy casual pants. My keyword is abroad modified for casual pants, so it matches up pretty well. Looking at the ad text, get casual clothes from Summer's clothing store. So pants are clothes, there's a correlation there, that's okay, but it's not very strong of a correlation. And then when they get to the landing page, it's a page with hats and shoes. So not at all what the customer is searching for. They're probably gonna be pretty unhappy and back out, which Google doesn't look at too well. So let's take a look at a good experience. So the search query is still gonna be buy casual pants. The keyword is casual pants as a phrase match, getting a little bit more specific there. The ad text is purchase casual pants from Summer's clothing store. So you can see that I actually have casual pants this time in my ad text, as well as purchase, which is what the customer is ultimately looking for with buy casual pants. And then they get to the landing page where it's a page with casual pants that someone can buy, which is exactly what the customer was looking for, and Google is going to correlate that very well, and hopefully that leads to a sale for me. That's all I have for you today, guys. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope it helps you with quality score and how to improve upon yours. Check out our blog for more great content.